Construction at EYWA is progressing beautifully, and we've reached some incredible milestones. We've poured over 471,000 square feet of post-tension structure using green concrete, staying fully aligned with our commitment to conscious building and sustainability. Right now, I'm standing on the 6th residential floor, which is actually the 10th floor of this 23-story development. And from here, you can already feel the scale, the serenity, and the energy this building will offer. To date, we've embedded 1,700 crystals of 18 different types, weighing a total of 5,753 kilograms directly into EYWA's core structure, grounding the building with intention and harmonizing energy throughout every level. Every home here is a masterpiece, with open views of the Dubai Water Canal, downtown skyline, and Burj Khalifa and beyond. Natural light, flowing energy, and complete privacy. It's a rare blend in the heart of the city. With just 52 residences, including 2 incredible and stunning penthouses, EYWA is intentionally exclusive. And we still have a few exceptional units available. If you're ready to live consciously, we invite you to visit the EYWA Experience Center in DIFC and see how nature, wellness, and luxury come together in the perfect balance.